Hey yo, what's good? So today we finna be raiding as Angry Birds, y'all know what I'm saying? I know y'all was playing that game when y'all was younger. Angry Birds game, you had to like hit the towers with the green minions in it. I forgot they were called, but yeah, let's get straight into this video, y'all. 90% of you are not subscribed, so you know I want y'all to go down below, click that subscribe button because you know I'm trying to get up there, I'm trying to get known. So, you know, y'all can help me out. I will always remember you. I love you guys, but yeah. Please subscribe, man. I'm very desperate. I forgot they were called, but yeah, let's get straight into this video, y'all. Alright, so happy Thanksgiving to everyone, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully you have a good Thanksgiving, y'all eating good. This is my PS1. Alright, hold on. You gonna stop? That's where I intervene. Why you stomping my boy? Yeah, why you stomping my boy? That's where I intervene, buddy. What are you doing? What are you saying low for? Saying low for, man. You just stomped that guy for no reason. Let me aim check. Let me check this. Oh shoot, we got a Glock. He got a Glock. Oh, he's spinning it back as fast as he can. Oh, he just got beamed. I'm hiding behind Santa. Why are you running? I'm about to get my song like that. Hey, sit down, son. And you holding in the air? I'm so lucky I was gonna get that stomp on. What do you have on, bro? You got a plague doctor mask on. Jump. Oh, hold on, jump again. Sit down, son. I know they're gonna try to pick him up. It's fine, man. Oh, who is you, Starry? Who is you? He's not on 500 ping. You'll be lagged up the server. Y'all all dying at Angry Bird. How y'all scared to fight an Angry Bird? I don't understand. Everyone's scared to fight an Angry Bird, bro. Look at me. Just look at me. Just admire my majesticalness for a minute. You know, I look so good. No one can compare to me. No one. Not your mom, not your dad, not your grandma. You. Like, be for real, bro. Oh my gosh, that's 4 stunts. Oh my gosh, that's 4 stunts. That's 4 stunts, man. You get stomped by Angry Bird. How'd that feel? Like, yeah, I don't know if y'all know that, what's that game called? There was like an Angry Bird racing game of cars. It was on mobile too. That game used to be so fun. You could like customize your car. Try to like win, unlock the cars. Like, why is no one fighting back? Look at this tracking, y'all. Are we getting 1v2? Got one. What's good, gang? What's good? I'll stomp. Oh, you ain't jumping. Jump. I finally call me a pig. Yo, that is body shaming. She called me. He just stomped me once and he said log. He just stomped me one time and said, alright, say that. We spinning back, huh? He just stomped me one time and he said log. That is crazy. Oh my gosh, I had this hand. I'm about to kill that headless man after. Log. Eternal Wake. Guess what? Log. Spin, buddy. Play back. Oh yeah. Jump. Headless DaHood gets put on his butt. Headless DaHood gets put on his butt. Dang! 1v2 is crazy. You're not on 600 ping. What do you mean I'm trying? I'm just shooting you. I'm just shooting you. Shut up. Get triple stomp. Get triple stomp. And I'm emoting on your body. Huh. Hey. Oh my gosh. I'm a winner. Shoot. Alright, y'all. I think I'm dead here. I'm not. Alright, we're not gonna run. Got some loser stuff. Is this guy trying to... Oh my... Look, he's right there. Send back. Send back. On me. On me! On me, man. I'm telling y'all, this power, this new power I got, man. It go crazy. Go hard, man. D0, actually. Oh, no, he's locking. Guys, get me out! Get on! Never mind. I sold the sneak. Look at the tracking. Look at the tracking. Calm your nerves down. If I calm my nerves down, I'll be able to hit him. I throw a person. My aim is not on point right now. My aim is not on point. Alright, I think I'm just gonna run. Because I cannot do anything right here. I still go helped. Bum, you helped them fight me. Shut up. He went to get he went to go get whatever it's called. I know what it's called. Armor. Do ones. Come on, bruh. Come back. Ooh, Tay. Popped. She just... Oh, she went on the side. And popped too. That's all toy so I'm aim locking. Silent aim ejector. He's hiding from me now. Ew. Dang, you got clipped before you, right when you go left. W sneak, I know. Thank you. Alright, man. That's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed me reading as an Angry Bird, man. I'll catch y'all later, man. Peace.